Saturday, April 23rd. We have 12 puppies. Lula's F1 Holly's F1 puppies are 4 days old, and Lula's are 17. Just wanted people to be able to see the difference between the two. I put them all together. That's Blue with Pinky and Knuckles, and Digger. You can quite see the obvious size difference. It's quite interesting to see. There's 3 more of the little ones there. What a difference, hey? And Gunner snuggling up with Rocket and Bubbles. Candy's in the back next to Butterfly. Oh, this is what 12 puppies in a whelping box looks like. And gruntings and groanings. Come around this other side.
Oh, nowhere to
Go. The 2 mummies are out having a pee break, so I thought I would quickly bring everybody together so you can see the difference. Everybody's having a nap together. As you can tell, the puppy box is in our living room, and 5-year-old is having some fun in behind playing. This little one right here is Pinky. She would be the smallest puppy for sure. Let's see how tiny she is. Put her over next to Star, who's the latest. Oops, sorry, stay out of the shadow here. You can see how small she is and dark. It's hard when you're taking photos because the camera adjusts and readjusts to the lighting in the room, and you don't actually capture the depth of color of most of these puppies. They tend to look a lot lighter, but I think that the video is actually showing a lot more true to color here. Oh dear. Oh, there. Pinky and Yogi. Probably the 2 darkest puppies, I would say. And then Popcorn, the next darkest, too. As the puppies start to mature, their coat colors come out more and more. So I expect that Pinky will be fairly dark, being that she's this dark at this age. Hey, Bubbles. Come around to cuddle up and stay warm. Gunner trying to get cozy with the babies. What he's doing, like he's trying to get Rocket's ear or something.